Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will see how to create an account on Deepseek on any Android smartphone. To do that, just go to the Play Store. Now from here, search Deepseek. Now from here, tap on Deepseek. Now from here, tap on Install. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now from here, once the app is fully downloaded, you can open Deepseek by tapping on Open, or you can find the application on your home screen. Just like that. Now from here, open Deepseek. Now from here, tap on Agree. Now from here, you can log in by tapping on Sign in with Google, or you can create a new account by tapping on Sign up. Now from here, enter your email address. Now once you have entered your email, tap on Password to enter your password. Now once you have entered your password, tap on Confirm Password to confirm your password. Now once you have confirmed your password, tap on Send Code. Now from here, it is asking to tap on the green sphere, just like that. Now from here, Deepseek will send a code to your Gmail within a minute. Open Gmail. Now as you can see, this is the email from Deepseek. Now from here, scroll down and copy the code. Now go back to Deepseek and tap on Code to enter your code. Now from here, tap on the back button and tap on I confirm that I have read the consent. Now from here, tap on Sign up. Now from here, tap on Save. And this is how you can create an account on Deepseek on any Android smartphone. Now the other method is to tap on Sign in with Google. Now from here, tap on Agree. Now from here, tap on your email. Now, as you can see, this is how you can create an account on Deepseek on any Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.